So in this Coinbase tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Chainlink, ticker symbol LINK on Coinbase. So once you have Coinbase open up on your device, go to the bottom tab here and press on trade right in the middle. So press on trade at the bottom. Once you're on the trade screen, go to the top, press on search for an asset. Once you're here, search up ticker symbol LINK to get Chainlink at the top. Once that is done, press on Chainlink. Then once you're here, press on trade, then press on buy link with cash. Once you're on this screen, type in the amount of money you wish to invest into Chainlink. So I'm just going to go ahead and press 2 for the sake of this demonstration. Then once that is done, press on review order. It's now going to take a couple of seconds to take you to the next screen, so just bear with it. Nothing's wrong with your device. Just going to go ahead and take a couple of seconds to take you to the final screen. So once that is done, which it should be right now, simply just go to place order at the bottom, press on that to finalize your purchase of Chainlink, ticker symbol LINK. So that is how you guys can buy Chainlink, ticker symbol LINK on Coinbase, and I hope this video helped.